practice Buddhism, but I do not have any depth in any religious studies. I am truly a secular person. I believe in all the religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam. I learned from my father because my father was also a truly secular person. He was an ardent follower of Dr. Ambedkar. And growing up with him, whenever we used to visit various places for his political functions, if his friends said that, sir, यहाँ चलो, यहाँ का दरगाह famous है, ये गुरुद्वारा famous है, so I have been brought up that way to respect all the religions, and therefore maybe after 24th I will take lessons from Amit to learn more about Buddhism. Though I know a bit of Dhammapada, but I don't have any in-depth knowledge as Amit has.